Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a custom squishmallow of NabNab from Garten of Banban. Well, let's make it really cute. Let's start off with the squishmallow shape. We're going to go right and left and draw a dot for either side. This is going to be how wide we want our squishmallow. Then just draw in pretty much a top of the egg shape across. And this is going to be start of our drawing. Now let's draw in the bottom, but let's leave a little bit of space on either side. Let's draw in the bottom of our squishmallow really quick, and let's connect this across. And we're leaving this space because we want to draw in a NabNab's arm. Let's draw in little cute versions of it, like so. And since NabNab has 3 eyes, let's start off with the 2 cute eyes in the middle first. 1, 2. So once we have those, let's add in 2 big highlights and color them in black. And we need a third one right above. Clean that up just a little bit. It's looking good. And let's draw in circles for the whites. 1, 2, 3. And now that his 3 eyes are done, let's draw in a big cute mouth. Go to the top, bottom, leaving a little bit of space because this is where his little tongue is. And we just draw in a little cute one and a line in the middle. And since this is a squishmallow, let's make the teeth a little bit softer, almost like a little baby version of NabNab's teeth. That's looking really cute. Let's draw in the little hat on top. Let's give it a little belly detail. Let's draw in the little hat. So we're gonna go up here, go up, back down for the hat. Now we're going to draw in straight lines across, which we will color soon. Now, with your drawing done, all we need is to add color. NabNab is mainly blue. We have some blues and pinks to get started. Let's start off with the main blue color. Let's give it a light blue wash. Almost done. Let's get a little bit in between the eyes. And to the other side. See, we can use another blue for the belly tee. A little lighter. That's looking good. Maybe we can add a shadow of the darker blue below. And using a little bit of a darker blue, we could add in some shadows. And using the same dark blue, let's add in the darkness of the mouth. Now with those colors done, let's just add in the pink of our tongue. And a little bit of darker one for the shadow. Like so. The hat is fairly simple. We just need some gray. So in between each of the whites, we just add gray. And we could use a black marker to thicken up some of these black lines. Like so. And there you have it, a custom NabNab Squishmallow from Garten of Banban. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.